This channel is gaining millions of views and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. Let me captivate you with an exciting study that will probably change your view of the process of creating motivational videos on topics colored in dark shades, intended for YouTube short films, Instagram videos, or the same TikTok. This time, I plan to reveal something truly magical to you. The secret recipe for success and the subtle nuances of creating videos that will not only intrigue, but also inspire your audience. Before we dive into this mysterious process, let's take a close look at each step. First, let's pay attention to what makes these videos so attractive. After all, several elements have merged into one. A dark and mysterious background that gives the video a special atmosphere. A voice produced by artificial intelligence that tells the content of the story. And of course, attractive captions like invisible hooks, holding the viewer from the beginning to the very end. This is, of course, a formula that not only holds the attention of the audience, but also kindles in them a thirst for more, deeper immersion. So the first step is to collect a few inspirational quotes. Here, our reliable interlocutor, the artificial intelligence GPT, comes to the rescue. We will give GPT the task to create 10 motivational quotes on the topic of animals, carefully adapted to our special needs. With the quotes we receive, we will choose the one that not only sounds exciting, but also corresponds to our chosen topic. After that, let's move on to the second step. We will give the selected quotes life with the help of voiceovers. To do this, we will go to the 11th laboratory, create an account if we don't have one yet. After logging in, we will be able to embed the selected quote into their generator, select a voice that matches our style, and click the Generate button. After listening to the result to make sure it is perfect, our voiceover will be ready for creativity. Now, in order to give the video sequence even more depth, we will add motivating music to this, which will, as it were, emphasize every note of inspiration and maintain the atmosphere of our work. Thus, let's create not just a video, but real art that causes delight and admiration. When starting the stage of choosing the musical accompaniment, focus on careful selection of the composition so that its character is in harmony with the concept of your video, and at the same time, the copyright issues are strictly observed. This task becomes extremely important, especially when processing video materials provided by web platforms such as Pixels and Pixabay. It is here that the wealth of choice of free videos and images is revealed, which are available for use without any problems in the field of copyright. Let's move on to the exciting stage of video editing. In our case, we will rely on CapCut, an amazing tool that provides extensive video editing capabilities, greatly facilitating this time-consuming process. Let's start by importing your video and audio files, after which we will proceed to carefully trim all unnecessary elements in order to make your video material as dynamic and cinematic as possible. To achieve an impressive and emotionally intense visual effect, insert the clips into the sequence, while not forgetting to adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 format. If you want to create a visual atmosphere with elements of mystery, adjust the parameters of your photos and add exciting visual effects. Don't forget to take into account the need for smooth transitions between clips and adding dynamic motion effects to add extra brightness and energy to the video. It is important to experiment with different settings to achieve the desired visual effect and ensure that your art is comprehended and understood by your target audience. Check out the automatic caption feature provided by the software that generates subtitles, ensuring your audience can follow every spoken word. To add extra expressiveness, select the pop-up animation by adjusting the size and font of the subtitles. Let's look at the result of this creative process together and fully immerse ourselves in the fascinating world of video editing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.